Molly, I need to do my monthly check-in for my supplements. I've got my creatine, my BCAAs, glutamine, protein. Where's my potassium?
There it is.
This isn't gonna work.
Well, what about banana bread?
That's a good idea.
All right, come in. Smile for the camera, baby. Hey everyone, it's Molly. Today I'm going to show you how to make this old-fashioned banana bread recipe, and I don't know how it's going to turn out, so we will see. And so first I'm mixing together the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, and I'm just going to sift that all together. And I will post the recipe for you guys down below in the video's description box, so you'll have it, and then we shall see how this takes. This was really quick to throw together. It only took maybe 10 minutes if you have all your ingredients ready. And on to the next step. Okay, so I'm creaming together my shortening and sugar, and then I'm going to add 2 unbeaten eggs. And then you want to beat that till it's light and fluffy. You could do this with a hand mixer. You could also do this by hand. Okay, so my eggs are in and it's nice and fluffy, so I'm going to alternatively, I can't say that word, add the flour mixture and then add a little bit of banana mixture and then just keep going like that till it's all incorporated. And so let me speed this up for you. Also, do not forget to scrape down your bowl and your beaters. I'm just greasing my loaf pan. I think my pan is 1 inch shorter than what the recipe calls for. It says it should be 3 inches tall and mine's only 2, but I think it'll be okay. All right, in goes the batter, and this bakes in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about an hour or until it's done, so just kind of keep an eye on it. And it says to let it rest in the pan for 10 minutes and then to wait overnight until you slice it, but I know we're going to be trying it today, so because we can't wait and Dan needs his potassium. So in the oven this will go, and I will see you guys when it's done.
Well, it looks like you've made some banana bread.
Yes, and it's only cooled for 10 minutes, so it's probably hot as hell.
Nice and juicy.
We're supposed to wait till overnight, after it's cooled overnight to taste it, but I'm impatient.
Oh.
So this wasn't done in an hour. It took me 1 hour and 15 minutes for it to be fully done.
Well,
so
that's a
just
long
FYI.
time.
Yeah.
Should we taste this and see?
Yeah, taste it.
Tastes like banana bread.
You ready to add that to your workout regime? Your supplement regime? Whatever I'm trying to say?
As long as you can add protein powder to it.
There you go. That'll be gross.
Mmm.
Does it? It doesn't have butter in it. It has shortening.
It's good.
Good. Let me try it. Hang on. Hold this at me. It's very good. Nice and tasty. There you go. That's a good recipe.
Yeah, it was really good.
Hang on. Taking it back. So this recipe comes from my new old cookbook, the Good Housekeeping Cook Book, and this is from 1955.
Hey, this is the one I found.
Yeah, we got this last weekend at the antique store here in Olympia. One of the antique stores. I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.